Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. Today we will be tackling a random game and not editing it at all. And I will try my best to explain how to methodically break down certain situations. And let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for columns and then work on the draw pile. Draw pile's right here. Save early cards in the draw pile for insurance, because there's like a bunch of cards in the draw pile and you don't want to get stuck early. So we can play the 6. We're going to play that over there. We can play the ace, deuce, and 3. We're going to move this 3 of spades over here. We may want to pull it back though. So let's play the clubs first. Ace of clubs, 2 of clubs, 3 of clubs. Now we'll play the 3, and there was a 7 right there, so that's good. We can move the 6 over, and that's where we're at. Let's see what we have in the draw pile. This 5 of diamonds happens to be our insurance card, which means we're not going to play it until later. We'd like to see what other moves we can make. Remember, there's 21 cards behind there. That means there's like 7 fate. Well, there'll be 6 face cards because it'll be less than 20 after we move a card out. We want to be able to change what these cards are right here. Same thing with this. We're going to save it, and we'll play out of the back of the draw pile. But there's a lot of moves here. This can be moved. We'll get them. We're just going to see what's in the back first. And we will play this card right here, and we'll play the 7 of diamonds. We just want to maximize the number of looks we get. If we can look at all these cards and then funnel them through, our odds of solving this just go up quite a bit. So that's what we're doing. We can play the jack of diamonds, I believe. And okay, king. Let's go back. Now let's 5 of diamonds again. Our insurance card. Not going to play it yet. Same thing with the 4. We will play this 5 right here. And then we got a dilemma here. Do we want to open up a column? Or do we want to just play the 4 hearts? We're going to play the 4 hearts and see where it goes. Oh, that's a great card. That's going to help us open up this column here. And then we have, again, the same dilemma. Do we play this 9, or do we play the 9 of hearts? We're going to see what's here, and then we'll wait on the decision if there's nothing good. Oh, that's a real good card. We will play, because we can move this 8 over here. And that allows us to move the 9 here. So that was the better move of the 2. So you always got to look at both options in those situations. Otherwise, you can end up with less moves, and then if you make more moves, your odds of getting this solved go way up. So ace of heart, spades up there, and we're just going to try to play smart here. Going to hold off on this king because we want to move this queen over, and then we can always get this king later. It's in the back of the draw pile. We shouldn't have a problem. We do want to move this king though, and we'll get that. I'm reluctant to move these low cards down, especially when we don't have an ace of hearts anywhere. So I'm going to hold off on that, because this can actually stop you from solving. Again, the same thing with this king. We're going to hold off on that. Let's just see where we're at. There's 8. This is the king we want to play. And we're going to move 1 card in front of that to bring it down. And that 1 card is going to be this 8 of spades. That's the only card we're going to play. Next time around, this king should show up, and then we can move the queen over, and then we can play the 2 black kings that are in there as well. So, going through again. There's the red king. Now we can move this queen over. And now, more importantly, we can start playing these black kings, because if we get this jack down underneath, we'll have a queen, a red queen underneath this, of course. Once we get this jack down, we can move this 10 over here and open up that column. And this column right now is the most important column for us, because there's a ton of cards under here. If we can't get those cards out, we don't solve this thing. Simple as that. So I think this king is in the very back, so we're going to see if we can get the other king out first. If you have 2 cards of the same, I prefer to go for the one that's in the front. So let's see what we have. Not yet. There should be another move here. We're going to move this 4. And I think we're going to play the ace. Even though we want to move the king, we're going to play this ace of diamonds. because that has value. Because once we get this 3 of diamonds over here, we've opened up another column. So let's play the ace there. There's the 2 of diamonds. There's the 3 of diamonds. And then again, we still have to figure out a way to get this king. And if we can't get this king, we'll play the other king because there's 2 kings in here. We might just, well, let's see what we have here. Oh no, we have another move here potentially. We can move this 5 of diamonds. We're not going to do it. Well, we can do it now. No, we're going to wait. Let's see what else is there. So we want to move this king. Okay, what we're going to do, sorry for, maybe not to, I'm going to try to slow down here. We go to the very front of the draw pile. So we click 1. This is insurance. Not going to play it. This is going to be our first play. We're only going to play 1 card out of there. And the reason we're playing 1 card is we want this king to drop. So we're only going to play 1 card. So the next time around, that king will be the face card. That's the goal. Just going through again. There's the king. There, we dropped it. So I think we can... No, oh, that's good. Now we can play this queen. And more importantly, this jack of spades is going to be the first card down, or first card up the next time around. We can play that, and then we can move this 10 of diamonds under that. That was the plan all along. And we're going to execute it in just a minute here. I think we'll play the king for now. It should be okay, because we can... Yeah, it should be okay. Because we can move this diamond up here, and we still have an open column for another king, should we find one. So yeah, this 10 is the critical part right here. So we have a few extra moves too if we need them, and we may need them. Oh no, the jack, did we pull 1 too many cards in front of the jack? I must have pulled 1 too many cards in front of that jack. I apologize. But that's okay. We're going to get to it. We just need to move the 7 of clubs in front of it, and the 7 of clubs can go up top. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the 5 of diamonds and only the 5 of diamonds. We're not going to move the 7 yet. Not yet. The 7 will drop. And then the jack will... Actually, we can play both of them. We're going to take the 7 right here. We'll play that. And we're going to keep our fingers crossed. This is a tricky one. Do we bring this 4 of spades down or not? I may undo that, but we'll deal with that in just a minute here. So this jack, other jack... There's the jack that was going to be the front. That's why I had it right. I was just confused. There's 2 jacks in here. Now, generally speaking, what you want to do is you want to play the jack in the very front of the draw pile first, if there's 2 jacks. So that's what we're going to do here. I'm going to play that jack. I'm going to play the club, and we don't know if we want to bring this 4 down yet. We may not. Let's move this 10 of diamonds over. That's a decent card. So we're going to move it over here. That is a good card. That's a 2 of spades. That means we can move this 4 of spades up, I believe. So we're going to go 3 of spades up, 4 of spades up, and then I'm reluctant to move this 5 here. I kind of know what's going on, but I kind of have to use it to move it to open things up. Let's see. We have those cards right there. So there's nothing. There is a 9 of spades. And yeah, I think we have to move that card, so there's really nothing we can work with here right now. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that there's a good card under the 5 of hearts. Ace of hearts, that's good. I think there's a 2 of hearts right there, right? Okay. But we're going to want to play the 3 of hearts, which is kind of buried, which could be a problem, but may not be a problem because we may be able to work around it. So we're going to play all the way to the back here. Ace of hearts up. 2 of hearts up, and then we got to figure out a way to move some cards around. If we can do that, we've got this solved. I'm just going to consolidate everything here into one spot. 3 of hearts is in our way, really, so we can't do anything there. We kind of need the 6 of hearts down because we'd like to be able to... We need to be able to play 2 cards of the opposite color. So we can play like clubs, diamonds, because we can't play hearts. So another option we may end up doing here is going all the way back and pulling this 3 of hearts down. That way we can play it up top, because if we play the 3 of hearts, then we can play 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts, and then all the other cards. And I think that is going to be the option here, because there's no moves in that one. So we're going to go all the way back to where this 3 hearts was early, and we're going to change the position of it in the draw pile. And we're going to see if we can find another way here. So bear with me. You might want to fast forward 20 seconds or so until we get back to that point. Okay, we're, I think, back. Let me go back a little further here. Alright, we're back to the spot where we were pulling the king, I believe. And the good news is we know we're going to pull the queen there. The good news is we know we can pull this 2 hearts. Under the 3 of spades, that is. I believe. I don't think that'll hold us up. And now we should have the spot with the... There's one of the jacks right there. We'll play this. I don't... And then we're going to play this 10 right here. Now I can pull the jack again. Let's see. 2 of spades up. 5 of hearts goes right here. Ace of hearts goes here. Queen goes here. Now we have this 2 of hearts. We can play up. 3 of spades up. 4 of diamonds can go up. And now we just have to, again, figure out a way to move some of these cards around. Unfortunately, we've saved this as our insurance card, so we can do a lot more manipulation with the draw pile, and we should have this figured out here. There's the 3 of hearts. We can move up. There's the jack. We can move. 7 of clubs, I believe we can move. And then we're going to want to... Let's see, 4 of hearts can go up, 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts. Can't play spades yet because there's a 4 of spades, I believe, in the front of the draw pile. Yeah, so now what we're going to do here is we would like to play this 10 of hearts next. So we're only going to play 1 card from this part. We're only going to play the 5 of diamonds. We're going to save these cards for later. This 10 of hearts will drop. So 10 of hearts drops. And now we're going to want to play the rest of these, I believe. So we play the 7 of hearts, play the 4 of spades, 9 of spades there, 8 of hearts there, and we've solved it. So that's an example of how you methodically solve a game like that with those type of situations. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. I would like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck. And as always, if you haven't checked out some of these other videos, feel free to do so whenever you get a chance. Thanks again for watching.